Exquisite home poised on 2.5 acres with views of Mount Baker and its amazing sunrises. Very private/peaceful location. All essential living spaces on the main, including a spacious primary bedroom west/ensuite drenched in travertine. Floor-to-ceiling windows and vaulted ceilings bring the amazingly manicured yard and Baker views into your home. Strand bamboo floors west/fir doors and trim create a richness throughout. Chef's kitchen west/granite and stainless steel appliances which lead out to the backyard oasis west/huge private patio west/hot tub. The office west/3/4 bath complete this floor. 2 guest rooms, a full bath and amazing bonus room are upstairs. And much more, just professionally painted. 3-car garage, designer chicken coop and large mower shed. No need to look further.